carefully. Bawal. Bawal ang carefully lang natin sa mga bawal. Bawal. Spiking an opponent to the canvas on his head or neck. Like for example, at sometimes ginagawa nila striking to the spine or the back of the head. It's free. Bawal. Okay. Throat strikes of any kind and or grabbing the trachea. Bawal.
May pressure na nagiging ng kaibigan. Push, take. Pag may space na already, iwanan natin.
Finger outstretched towards an opponent's face and eyes. Bawal. Careful sa pag-parry. It's okay. Minsan, pag-strike niya, pag-strike ko, yan ang ginagawa niya. Bawal yan. And sometimes, nalaakin nila tayo na makakasita.